Sometime after Christmas, I decided to change my life for the better. My life was quite boring, and if it's break time, after a while, I just don't know what to do anymore. So I decided I needed a change. I don't know how it happened, but I got myself a cat named Gouda, which is fun because he actually hates cheese. He doesn't eat it at all. One day, I drove to Noah's Ark in Graz, and I saw Gouda. He saw me. I had tears in my eyes, and he was in my car 5 minutes later. So you could say it was love at first sight. Now my life isn't boring anymore. To be honest, it's quite stressful. Gouda wakes me up at 5:30 in the morning every day, demanding food. He chews on my plants. I do not have any beautiful plants left anymore because no matter where he is, he will try and chew on them or eat them or whatever he does with them. He bites my fingers and my toes every few hours just because he can. And he has taken a particular liking to the wash basin. Once in a while, you just will find him there, sitting, looking at you. I do not understand why, but this is his favorite thing to do. When you turn round, you will see him. He is probably stalking you right now. You never know where he is. Yesterday, my friend and her 1-year-old son came for a visit, and the baby boy was just having a snack in his hand, and he was just, crawling around the floor. And Gouda approached him and ate his snack. So, in short, Gouda is a handful, but my life is definitely not boring anymore.